That's what I like to see. Minimum maintenance. Travel at your own risk. 20 miles an hour. I bet you there aren't any cops out here gonna check my speed. I bet you they wouldn't check my speed out here. Nope. There's nothing. I'm doing 25. See, I'm already speeding. No problem. Come on, little T-Dub! Go! Wind's not as bad here, but it's pretty dang windy. This is why I like to just take these roads. Find some interesting ones along the way. That one I don't know about. Let's see. No maintenance road. Let's try it. Why not? No travel advisory. Well, as long as it's not muddy, I think we're okay. If it is muddy, then I'll try. At least I could. Ooh, this would be an awesome place to camp, wouldn't it? Yeah. It's like a mud hole right there, though. It is. That ain't bad. Recently. Ooh. 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 Big rocks. Big rocks and ruts. Let's try. Looks like the left's better. Definitely a track through here. Come on, little T-Dub. Let's go. Oof. Uh-oh, there's cows down there. Oh, there's a fence, though. Whew. Wow. We are up here, aren't we? E-bike mode. What is that? Is that a grouse or a quail? I don't know. If I don't hit any holes, so I can't see nothing. That hole there. Oh. Bumpity bumpity bump. Up we go. Oh, rut. Stay in the rut. Ooh. Hi, cows. Nice and easy, frostbite. Not sure what's going on here. Big old mud hole there. I gotta go easy. Really super duper easy. I don't want to fall in there. Right down the middle. Hi, cows. Where's this going? Where's this taking me? Oh shit. I gotta go where? Can't go over there. I don't see any tracks here. Wow, if I go down there, it's not that far. Let's check it out. The thing is, there's no telling what's here. Will I run into a fence or what? I don't know if I'm on the wrong side. Oh, it looks like there is a track here. Kind of, sort of. You think? Yep. I see it now. Sort of. It hasn't been used in a very, very long time. I don't think. I'm just trusting the good Lord to keep me out of trouble. I keep putting myself in trouble. There's definitely a track out here. Did not see that bump. It's kind of scary when it comes right up on you, you know. That one, I saw that one. You can just faintly see the track. Ever so faintly. I'll go right down the middle. Maybe that's a mistake, I don't know. Getting the old arm pump. Need some risers, but need longer cables for that. I should be halfway there. Yes, there it is. See the track down there? Whew. Okay, slow and easy. I do not know what to expect. Slow and easy. Actually, it's pretty bumpy. Way off camber too. It's scary not knowing what's underneath you. A little bit. There we go. I think this is public land, because I don't know. Hopefully there's not a fence on this side, because I'll have to go all the way back. Just see the track. Mud. Uh-oh. Ah, there we go. That looks like a gate up there. Ooh. Mud. Gate, but looks like it's open. I believe it's open. Can't tell quite yet. Oh yeah. Here we go. There you are! Oof. That was fun, but I'm glad to be out of it. That's for sure.